so this will be your J Concepts Retro Bracket 1. We have Mark with Unnamed on the line and Mike with Blue Thunder. Drivers ready? Cameras ready? Watch the light. Good jump in these two trucks. Moving this big over the tire penalty. And Blue Thunder is just across the line to 9. Mark with that new truck is still figuring out the steering.
Alrighty, cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? You watch the light. Pretty even. All the bad accidents take the win.
Alright, cameras ready? Alright, cameras ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Alright, good start for these two. Excalibur is a little bit of a lead, but stands right to the wizard. And Excalibur wins that race. Alright, looks like cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Good jump from these two. Tight turn to the wall. Wins the little bit of the lead. And Team Williams, oh, the big crash! The rare crash from Sam in his retro, but he takes the win anyways.
Hey, I gave you full props for sending.
Alright, we have Mike and Ryan on the line. Cameras are ready. Drivers are ready. Watch the light. Nice start. Oh, the line struck up early in the turn. Looks like Blue Thunder's going to run away with this one. Well, Blue Thunder moves to the semifinals. Alright, cameras are ready. Alright, cameras are ready. Drivers, you ready? Watch the light. Big wheel stand for those two trucks over there. Nice, oh, Blue Thunder to the wall. And Jacob with the t-shirt jump. Takes the win, going to the finals. All right.
Very similar.
Yep. A couple of very, very similar trucks. We paint jobs. All right, cameras are ready. Drivers are ready. Watch the light. Beautiful stand for Excalibur. And Sam with Team Williams is going to take a big win into the finals there. All right. We get Jacob with the Mad Max versus Sam in the ever tough Team Williams. Looks like he's making a quick adjustment to the track. Everything looks good for everybody. All right, this is your J Concept final round. Drivers ready. Watch the light. Good start to these two. Good turn to the bar.